Wide swings we have witnessed in commodity market in yesterday trading session, but yes, I have given the target of 30,500 in gold buy call, and yes, there was a target of more than 50,000 in silver, and these two targets are already achieved in the market. But yes, base metal and crude oil counter is a concern for the market because base metals, they are moving on their own fundamentals. Nickel is most bullish in base metal counter because of the supply concern, and crude oil shared its gain further on the increase of US crude oil inventories, and we are expecting a rebound in the prices of crude oil in today's trading session because of the lower level buying. Fundamental is still bearish, but yes, there should be some lower level buying, and because of that we can see 35 to 40 rupees rise in crude oil prices. But yes, I would like to prefer profit booking in crude and gold and silver, because in today's trading session you can witness some correction in the prices of gold and silver. So for gold you can expect a level of 30,100, and for silver you can expect a level of around 49,200 or 49,300. So yes, selling at higher levels should be a good strategy for strictly for intraday position for gold and silver. And if we talk about economic releases, yes, there is important economic releases. First one is US durable goods, and we are expecting a positive positive number from this data. If it happens, then we may see further buying coming in base metals. And yes, apart from that, US durable goods, there is US Michigan confidence data, and it should be it should come with some mediocre results. So yes, there won't be much impact of this data on commodities, and that's all for the day. Thank you.